Alright, so in the previous video we found the equation of a line given its graph. Now we're going to find that equation given 2 points on the graph. Okay? So again, what we need to do, our answer, if it's not one of those special cases that we'll talk about later, is going to look like this. Y equals mx plus b. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is find m, just like we've done before. M is given by this formula, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay? So in this case, that's equal to 1 minus 4 divided by 6 minus 0. Right, we did this in the last chapter. We found the slope. So it's negative 3 over 6, which is equal to negative 1/2. Okay? So that's not new. We've done that before. We did that in the last chapter. Alright, so now we got to find b, really. Once we find b, then we'll be done. We can write our answer by plugging in m and b to that equation. Alright, so let's see. Here's how you find b. So this is what I know so far. I know that y is negative 1/2 x plus b because I found the slope, right? So basically, in order to find b, all I got to do is plug in one of these ordered pairs and I'll get b. In this example, it's actually given, right? 0 comma b is the y-intercept, so it should be 4. But let's go ahead and plug in this other point just to show that it should work. Okay, so this is the x value, right? This is 6, and this is the y value. So I plug them in. So x goes into x. So I take the negative 6 and plug it into x. I'm sorry, positive 6, plug it into x. And I take the 1 and plug it into y. Okay? This is just to find b. So 1 equals negative 1/2 times 6. Half of 6 is 3, so that's negative 3 plus b. And just remember your algebra. To solve for b, I got to add 3 to both sides, right, to get rid of the 3. And it gives me a b value of 4. Okay, so now I have everything I need, and I can plug in my values. So y equals negative 1/2 x, because the slope's negative 1/2, and the b value in this case is positive 4, plus 4. Okay, that's the process for finding the equation of a line given 2 points. So let's try it again. First, find the slope. Negative 6 minus negative 3. So 6 divided by negative 2 minus negative 1. A little messy here, that's okay. So these will change to pluses. Remember that, we've seen that before as well. And this will give me negative 6 plus 3 up top is 3. And on the bottom, negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. I'm sorry, the top should be negative 3, right? Negative 6 plus 3, negative 3. So negative 3 over negative 1, positive 3. Okay, that's half my answer. So y equals 3x plus b. Now we got to find b. Remember how we did that in the first one? I take one of these 2 points, doesn't matter, I'll pick the first one, plug in the y value of negative 3 and the x value of negative 1. And this will let me solve for b, right? So that's negative 3 equals 3 times negative 1 plus b. So negative 3 equals negative 3 plus b. Add 3 to both sides to solve for b. So in this case I get 0, right? Because negative 3 plus 3 is 0. So b equals 0. So my answer is y equals mx plus b, where m is 3. So 3x plus 0, I don't really need the plus 0, do I? Y equals 3x. Okay? Moving on. Slope is negative 4 minus 1 over 5 minus 5. Alright, so right away I can see I got a problem with this one. I get a 0 in the bottom. Alright, it should be negative 5 over 0, but that negative 5 doesn't really matter. The fact is I have a 0 in the bottom. That's an undefined slope, so you might remember from the last video, this is going to be an x equals equation. We've got to try and remember that. The undefined slope is a vertical line, right, which is always an x equals constant. And here's the hint to this. When you see these two numbers, it makes it easy. The x values here are the same. Anytime that happens, they're always going to be the same. It's just x equals 5. Okay. One more example. Start the process here. Negative 3 minus negative 3 up top. That's y2 minus y1. And on the bottom, 8 minus negative 3. Okay, and this is going to give me 0 up top this time. Remember, we've seen that before. On the bottom there's 11. That doesn't really matter, because 0 divided by any number is 0. So this has a slope of 0. So that's one of those horizontal lines. Remember that? That's a special case. And they always have a y equals equation, not mx plus b, because we don't need all that, because it's a constant. Right? You'll notice here that this also is an easy one. The two y values are the same. So if they're the same for those 2 points, they're going to be the same everywhere. And your answer is just y equals negative 3. Okay, now go to your book and start looking at the examples in there. There's more examples in there.